Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload pre-recorded video on RedNote. Go ahead and open the RedNote app. And now tap on this plus icon to create a new post. Here, select video. And here you will find all your device videos. Now all you have to need, select the pre-recorded video that you want to post to your RedNote and tap on next. And now here you will find a bunch of different options. You can edit the video, you can add effects, you can add text, add sticker. If you want to trim the video, you can do it by tapping on trim. Now just tap on next. And here, go ahead and add a title to your video. And to select a cover for the video, tap on select cover. And now you can select a cover from here. Or you can tap on this plus icon. And from your gallery, you can go ahead and select a custom cover. Now tap on next. And here, tap on done. Now you can write here a description. You can add some tags here. And now just tap on post and the pre-made video will be posted in your RedNote app. Thanks for watching.